This is Andre Lapointe with Seaway GM in Cornwall with another Black Friday door crasher deal for you, taken from more than 100 brand new 2019 Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, and Cadillac models that I have personally marked down at prices that will blow your mind. Why wait online for cheap bargains when you can get discounts up to $16,500 in Black Friday cash credits every day this November? Yes, every day this November, I have instructed my team to lower the price of 3 new vehicles to rock bottom prices. But remember, it's first come, first serve. And you want to lower the interest rate on your current auto loan? Great. I also have interest rates as low as 0% up to 84 months on approved credit, and lease rates as low as 0.5%. You won't believe how small your next payment could be. You have no money to put down? No worries. You can even leave on approved credit with every single vehicle in the lot without paying a penny down. You're already driving a vehicle? Perfect. Bring the vehicle you're driving now and I'll buy it from you for the maximum amount of money possible. So what are you waiting for? Pass by the dealership now and follow us on YouTube to get your Black Friday door crasher deal. It's every day this November and exclusively at Seaway GM right here in Cornwall.